Hello friend, today I'll show you how to generate audio, video and image with AI. There are a lot of AI in the market you'll find, and they propose you use of credits to generate audio, video and image free with certain limits. When your credit is finished, they will propose subscription. You must do it. Today I will show you a AI which is totally free, and you can create unlimited audio, video and image. And sometimes the quality of audio video is more better than paid AI. Let's go. This video is generated by AI. How to make these types of viral video with AI? You need at first to create a story. Then you will create a script. And from a script, you will convert it into image and then image to video. Or you can directly create your video from text to video. Let's go. At first, write your story. Go to ChatGPT and write your story. Give instruction to write a story in the ChatGPT. Write a 100-word story where a cow gives 100 liters of milk. The owner of the cow is grandmother, and the story also include fruit juice. Go. You see, it's create 100-word story. Now I will create prompt from this story. Write prompt for every scenario. Provide a 3D work image prompt with aspect ratio of 1042 is to 1792. In spite of our ratio is the same by default, where we will create our image. Then go. It will be create for scenario. Okay, our script is ready. Now we'll generate image from this script. We'll generate our image in Meta AI. Go to Google, write Meta AI, click on Meta AI. Then you need to sign in with your Gmail address or Google account. Now copy the first scenario script, then paste into Meta, create image. The Meta will give you 4 images. You will choose the best one. The image is creating. Wow, this is the best quality of images I have seen even than other paid AI. I am choosing this image, and under the image you will find a button called anime. Click on this button. It will be converted into video from this image. The video is generating. Yes, video is ready. Now click on video. and download. In this way, create another image and video, copy the second prompt and paste into meta, create image. It's very rapid than other AI. I am choosing this one. Okay, create video. Video is ready. You can create unlimited video and images as you want. Click on video, download it. Now the third scenario, copy, paste, create image. It's unbelievable. The Meta AI offers you unlimited video and image. Anime. Video is generating. Video is ready. Download. And the last one, copy, paste into Meta AI. Creating image. The image is ready. I'm choosing this image. Generate video. Okay, video is ready. Download. Okay, now our video is ready. Now we will create our voice with AI Studio. Go to Google, write Google AI Studio. Click on Google AI Studio. Then go to menu and click on stream. Write your prompt here. To generate voice, copy your story and paste into this prompt. Go to story, copy story, paste here and write a prompt. Convert a voice, convert voice over as English natural language. Go.
Every morning, Grandma Leela rose with the sun, humming as she tended to her beloved cow,
Voice.
Bella. One magical day, Bella gave 100 liters of milk, more than ever before. Overjoyed, Grandma filled every jug in the cottage, her silver hair shining with excitement. To celebrate, she invited the village children, offering them tall glasses of fresh milk and homemade fruit juice from her orchard, orange, mango, and guava. Laughter echoed through the garden as little hands clutched sticky cups. That day, Bella became a legend, and Grandma's garden a place of endless joy, milk, and the sweetest fruit juice memories.
Okay, the voice is done. Now download this voice. Then we will. This is our voice. If we want to cut or we want to delete something to adjust our video, you will find a lot of audio voice editing. I am going to voice cut over. I am searching audio cutter. If you want to delete something from your voice, this is the voice. For example, listen your voice, then unnecessary things you can delete. Save. Okay, the audio is ready now. Now we will create our final video in CapCut. Go to CapCut, create new video, go to media. Now import your audio and videos. Upload. This is my audio and this is my video. Okay, audio video is uploaded successfully. Now this is the first video. It is loading. This is the second video, this is the third video, this is the fourth video, and this is my audio. You can resize. You need to hear audio and then you can resize as you need. I am just showing an example. Okay, now just test it's or not.
And homemade fruit juice from her orchard, orange, mango, and guava. Laughter echoed through the garden as little hands clutched sticky cups.
Yes, it's all fine. Now export your video. Before export you can render. And if this is your short video, go to ratio, click on 9:16. If TikTok video, click 1:1. If YouTube normal video, 16:9. I am selecting 9:16 for short video. Just verify a little bit. You can resize your image like this. Select another one. This okay. This one is okay. And this one is also okay. Okay, 9:16. Now you can export your video. You can direct download and you can change name, cow and grandma. Cow and grandmother. Then resolution and rest of things you can keep it default. Export. Now your video is uploaded directly near YouTube. If YouTube is signing. That's all. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscription. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.